Hello everyone, this is your girl again, back at it. In today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you what I really do in my free time here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As you know that I'm housemaid in this kingdom. Here my work is being a housemaid here, but sometimes we do get free time. What did I choose to do in my free time so as not to waste it? It's so hot over here. It's so hot. It is scorching sunshine. But as I told you in my latest video that we are translating in a season from a season of winter, that one where it is too cold, and we are entering another season. But I'm seeing a lot of sunshine over here. I don't know which season is it. Is it summer? Is it spring? I don't know anything about seasons, but it's so hot. So guys, I'm reporting live here from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, as I told you, and right now I'm outside. But the main thing I want to tell you is, what do I do in my free time? What did I choose to do in my free time as a housemaid here? Because I saw that sometimes I get a lot of time here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia during my work. Sometimes not every day or not all the times, I get free time. I chose to do something out of that, which I'm going to be showing you today. And another thing which I chose is to do YouTube. That's the reason why you guys need to support me for sure. Because I'm doing this YouTube for literally for money. When I go back to Uganda, this is what I want to do for money. Because I'm tired of being a housemaid. Yeah, it gets very tired. Sometimes it sucks. So that's why I saw that I should maybe start a YouTube, maybe I should start even other social media platforms. And also above that, I learned something from social media, especially YouTube. I learned to do necklaces, I learned to do bracelets, I learned to do anklets, and a lot of things. I'm still learning a lot of things from YouTube and also from other platforms like Facebook. Yeah, I'm still learning. I want to make money when I go back to Uganda. So here, during my free time, I always do that beading. That's what I'm going to be showing you. When I'm off work, what do I really do? Okay, guys, I'm outside. I have to go inside because that is where I'm going to show you my work. Right now I'm free and I want to start doing my beading. I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing right now, what I'm doing. I've been doing this for like 5 months. Yeah, it's like 5 months. So today I decided I'm going to be showing you, please guys. Please, if you are still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also give me a like. And if you don't like this video, let me know down in the comment section. Yes, that is it. Yes, let's comment, press subscribe, press like the video, and even if you don't like it, just like it. So queens and kings, before getting that free time, always I first do my work. One of my works there, it is mopping the house, also doing the kitchen work, which involves cleaning the utensils and organizing the kitchen, mopping, cleaning the sinks, toilets, and that's one of the work which I'm doing right there. So before I go to what I'm gonna show you today, what I do in my free time, let us first see. Before free time, what is the occupied time? What do I do in the occupied time? What do I do in my busy time? So right here, I'm still busy. I'm busy doing my work. I'm mopping, and I have to do some other work as I'm going to be showing you, right? Yeah. I always do anything which involves cleanliness and neatness. That is what I always do every day. And when I get that free time, I do my other stuff, which I'm going to be showing you today YouTube inclusive, Facebook inclusive, TikTok, but apart from social media, what do I do next? Let us first watch these videos. Yes, these videos when I'm doing my chores. After that, we are going straight into the video. Today. The free time I got it today, and you see that the clothes are the same. That means that it is today when I got time to record the videos and also to do my work. So I think that is it. Watch this. After, we are going to see what I did in my free time. What I did in my free time. I don't have to waste any time in my free time. I don't want to waste time. This is the chance I got, and I have to use it very well. Okay, let's watch this and head to the video. So guys, this is what I bought. I bought it from Shein, as you can see. I bought the beads. I bought a lot. Some of them I finished them. This is what I managed to get. Got this. Also the scissors. Some of them I haven't even used them yet. And I started right away to do my beading. Some of the things which I started with are here. Maybe I can show you some. This is some of the stuff I started with. Yeah, this is a necklace. But this necklace, I'm waiting for the clasps to put here and here. You see? Like this. The clasps. When they come, I'll finish my necklace. There is also this one. Some of them are not finished yet because I don't have the clasps. And I just ordered them. Yeah, there is this one. I think you can see. I also made this one, but not yet finished because I'm waiting for some other stuff to finish them. And here is the stuff. Oh God. Whew. Oh. Whew. These are the waist beads. We put them here. Africans, you know that. Maybe even some other cultures use them, but I mostly know them from Africa. We put them in the waist for different reasons. And also these ones. I'm going to sell them to the company girls. You see, sometimes I'll explain that later maybe. But I'm going to sell them before I leave Saudi Arabia. There's also this alot. You can see this. But I'm waiting for some other stuff to finish them. You can see they're not yet finished because I'm waiting for other stuffs. The anklets. to put here underfoot. Ooh. Ooh, I wish I can show you one by one. So today I'm going to finish them. I'm going to be finishing, some of them I'm going to be finishing them today, but some of them I'm waiting for some other stuff to finish them, like clasps. I'm waiting for, I don't know how it is called, but the stuff I have to use to band here. Yeah, to band here so that it becomes short, more short. You see this? You see? Oh, I also have some other stuff here to use. I bought a lot. The beads. These are all beads. These are the strings which I use to put beads on. I don't know which this one's for what. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll find out. These are the ribbons. I'm going to be doing DIY, but that DIY will also help me maybe for selling, maybe for some other stuff. I don't know. Maybe to make some of my stuffs beautiful. These are gift wrappers. These are other beads. Yeah, that is it. What I did in my free time, from YouTube to this. I'm still thinking some other stuff maybe.